So today let's talk about how to use Coinpeeker for crypto arbitrage. Now, if you've been trading arbitrage for a very long time, you'll find out that Coinpeeker is one of the oldest arbitrage apps out there, and a lot of people have made use of it. We've received so many requests to talk about Coinpeeker, and personally I've used it, and I'll be so excited to share how this app have performed for me. All right, so let's get straight into it. Now, before I get started, this video is not about showing you how to make profit with Coinpeeker. It's just going to show you how you can use Coinpeeker for arbitrage, and certainly a lot of things have changed with the Coinpeeker app. Now, first things first, this is how it looks like. You can absolutely get it on Play Store. I am not sure of the App Store, but I believe it may be there. All right, so quick, you're going to click on it. Before you get into this app to make use of it, you must create an account, unlike other arbitrage apps where you don't need to create an account. Now, formally, when you come into the Coinpeeker app, you just start finding arbitrage signals and opportunities up and down, exchanges to buy, sell, comparing prices and everything. But right now, everything has changed. You absolutely need to subscribe before you see anything at all. All right, so this interface you see here is just static, nothing is changing. So even when you create an account, you find it like this. So absolutely, you need to subscribe before you use this app. But then at the end of this video, I will let you know if subscription is worth it, or if you have to subscribe, or if the subscription is something you may want to do. All right, so before we get started, you can actually study about it. I'm going to just run through it. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I made using this app is trading cryptos that are showing red. Now, on the Coinpeeker, there's what they call yellow, green, and red. When you find the green sign, it means that the arbitrage signal or opportunity is a good one. You can absolutely buy, sell, trade it, and all of those things. Green is actually cool, but then there are fees attached, which I'll talk about later. But when you find green, it means that the opportunity which is related to this green is absolutely okay, which means you can actually buy on the buying exchange and sell on the selling exchange without withdrawal issues. But when you find stuff like red, it means that you may not be able to buy on Nexi at that time, or you may be able to buy on Nexi, but you will not be able to sell at crypto.com at that time. So I mistakenly traded cryptos using the red, and I lost money. So this is one of the good sides of Coinpeeker, because it shows you signs that you should not go ahead, even though it is an arbitrage, an opportunity out there. All right, so you have to be careful. This is one of the things you have to actually take note of, because I'm sharing how you can make use of this app, especially for crypto arbitrage traders. Now, also, you can find the yellow area. There's this one showing yellow, and of course, yellow shows ready. Okay, it means ready. Yellow is just very synonymous to red. So if you're not okay with red, then you should not be okay with yellow. Opportunities showing yellow and red are not cool to do. All right, trust me, I've been there, so you don't want to even try it out. Now, that's enough. So let's talk about where to buy, and of course selling exchange. Absolutely, you know that arbitrage is all about comparing prices, how to buy here, how to sell here. So Coinpeeker do not give you any free opportunities. Even if it's for 1%, they don't show you anything. So that's one way they need to improve, because many other better arbitrage apps gives or shows arbitrage opportunities. I believe they need to improve in that. They were doing it before. Okay, I recommend them because they were doing it before. Absolutely, for many years they were sharing huge opportunities, but right now everything about them is subscription based. Right now, you will not find any link in the description to download it. Okay, you can actually get it on Play Store, and that is because I am not currently seeing how you can earn with it. All right, so absolutely, you can actually come to this place where you find all mark. You can see on this area, this is where you find your spread. Most people call it profit, but it's called spread, because even after buying and selling, and you think you want to make the whole big 15%, you still have to pay some fees. There are transaction fees, there are charges, and all of those things that will apply. Absolutely. Okay, so people call this profit, but I always call it spread. So this is not your profit, because at the end of the day, you will not get 15.83%. You're going to be charged. There will be fees, so it will be less than this amount when you have purchased and sold. And the crypto you're going to be trading is this BTC, and of course that is it. This is the exchange. It is just very simple to understand. It's very simple to understand. These are the two exchanges you are comparing the prices with. Absolutely easy, simple, straightforward to understand the Coinpeeker app, right? Now, apart from that, you can even click on any particular, click on any particular opportunity or any particular signal to understand what it is, the details. Okay, so here you can see AX, ASX USDT, and there's 0.63, which is not even advisable. Anything anything below 3% is actually a loss. So you don't have to even try it because it's actually going to return a big loss. Okay, so absolutely, one of the advantages of Coinpeeker then is that you can just write in the amount you want to trade with, and it's going to just show you how much percent profit you would likely make. But right now, even the calculator is going to be paid. It's a paid version. All right. I think maybe they noticed that people are using it, and that's why they started increasing putting fees on every single thing. All right. And this configuration shows you exchange fees, the fees you'll be charged when you buy and sell. So absolutely, the few times I used Coinpeeker for free because it had a free version. In fact, it was free before, completely free from A to Z. I think it was actually cool, but then I don't know for now. All right. So if you are planning on using Coinpeeker, it is amazing, but just understand that there are fees, and this app do not show you or give you a very complete arbitrage package, which means it doesn't give you all the information you need to know, because these informations, even if you subscribe to them, it may not be complete. So making profits here is not guaranteed. All right, you can actually be lucky, you can actually run into a loss. So if you're planning to use it, just know that you're actually going for an arbitrage tool that is not complete, unlike the arbitrage scanner that shows everything you need to understand. I know fees and all those things. And if you want to get arbitrage scanner, it's definitely in the description. You can just click on it. You'll be able to use arbitrage scanner. It's absolutely what I personally use for arbitrage. But then people still use Coinpeeker, and I believe it is for advanced people who use multiple arbitrage tools for their trading. All right. So exactly, let's go to the all market area, which is at the top right. So on this all market, you can select any particular coin you want. For example, if I select Bitcoin, it's just going to share all the pairs, all the markets where Bitcoin can be bought and sold. All right. So because I'm not subscribed, so you're going to see no arbitrage were found for this coin. Please select another. All right. So that's one thing about the Coinpeeker app, and absolutely this is what you need to understand. So I believe without subscription, you are going to be locked out. There are many things you are not going to see. So this place where you see percentage high to low, you can change it from low to high. But even if you change it from low to high, it's not going to show you anything. It's going to remain static. This is because it is not subscribed yet. So at the end of this whole review, I told you that the only mistake I've made when I was in this Coinpeeker is to trade signals that are in red and yellow. And I ended up losing all my money because I was not able to withdraw, all right, from the exchange. So yeah, Coinpeeker is actually a very nice exchange. It's actually cool. You don't, and again, I forgot to mention that their subscription fee is actually very low. And of course, it's nice for the price, for what they are offering. It's actually nice. They are not very complete, so the fee is actually a little bit okay for you. But then I've said it that the app is okay, but then it is not a complete arbitrage tool, unlike the scanner, arbitrage scanner, and all of those, which has the link on the description. You can absolutely use my link and get into arbitrage scanner, and of course you may be able to understand it very well. So for now, I'll leave you guys here, and if you have any other arbitrage tool you want me to talk about, you can let me know. Now, if you want to actually check out other things, there's also price comparison, fear and greed index, which you already know what fear and greed index is, top gainers and losers, price notification, price comparison. All of these things are important tools, but it does not affect how much you make, and that is why I think it's not a very complete tool. So for now, I'm going to be leaving you here, guys, to have a very wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.